Hi everybody. So I wanted to get on and just show you what all you get when you sign up to be a unique presenter and what comes in the presenter's kit. Okay. So first you get the 3D mascara. You get our cream shadow in Tenacious, which is like a golden brown color. You get the cream shadow brush, which just allows for a smoother, easier application. You get our precision eyeliner pencil in Perfect, which is our black. You get the lucrative lip gloss in Lovesick with the cute little mirror on the side. You get our lipstick in Upscale. And then you also receive an eyeshadow palette. Now, the eyeshadow palette that you receive typically just goes off what's in stock currently. Right now, what I've been hearing is you've been receiving palette 3. So palette 3 is the palette that I have here, which is one of my favorites because it has the purples and the pinks. And I think that that's awesome. You also get this wonderful trunk to keep everything in. It's super cute and it's super sturdy. Okay. Outside of that, you also receive some samples so that you can try everything. You get a sample of our skincare line. You get a sample of our bronzer, a sample of our blushes, and then you also get a sample of our mineral pigments. Now, in addition, you get a color matching stick so that you can help your customers. You get a catalog and you get the unique presenters book, which is going to help you to grow with your business. Okay. You also receive your white charm, which is the first promotion in Unique. You get all of this for $99. Now, why is this such an awesome deal? It's an awesome deal because this palette by itself is $49. So if you call me and you say, Sabrina, I want a palette, I'm going to charge you $49. But you can get all the stuff that I mentioned for $99. Now, in addition to the makeup and the samples, you're also getting your own business, which also comes with your own website, which is completely free. There are no auto ships. You don't have to keep stock of anything. Everything that your customers order or that you order for them gets shipped directly to them. You don't have to do any type of deliveries. You could just buy the kit for yourself and use the kit. You don't ever have to sell a thing. But every time you order, because you ordered the presenter's kit, you're going to get a discount on makeup. You're also going to earn commission 3 hours after a sale. 3 hours, not 3 days, 3 hours. And on top of that, you're going to earn free makeup. I no longer pay for any of my makeup. I get my makeup for free based off of how things are going for me. So who doesn't love free makeup? Now, I will tell you that for the majority, you can do everything on social media. You don't ever have to leave your house to work this business, which I think is personally amazing. If you choose to do vendor events or you choose to do parties that are at people's houses, that is completely up to you. But I think that this is an awesome deal. It's $99 and it comes with all this stuff. Don't forget, people, this palette is $49 by itself. So go ahead and hit me up because you think that it sounds like an awesome deal too, and let's get you your own kit. Talk to you later. Bye.